Iris discovers the colors. In a quiet little town where everything was shades of gray, lived a curious girl named Iris. She loved her town, but always felt like something was missing, a certain spark of life she couldn't quite name. One morning, while walking in her garden, she saw something new. Peeking out from a bush was a single beautiful flower. It wasn't gray at all. It was a vibrant, wonderful red, the color of a juicy apple. "This is red," she whispered. The discovery of red made Iris look at her world differently. She lifted her head and, for the very first time, saw that the endless sky above wasn't gray. It was a deep and peaceful blue, like a giant, calm ocean stretching forever. Drifting across the magnificent blue were fluffy, soft shapes. They were the color of fresh snow or a swan's feather. Those must be clouds, Iris realized, and they are a lovely, clean white. Feeling braver, Iris looked down at the ground she was lying on, the blades of grass tickling her arms and the leaves on the trees rustling in the breeze were no longer gray. They were a lively green, the color of new life in the spring. She sat up and dug her fingers into the earth. The soil was a rich, dark brown, the color of chocolate cake and sturdy tree trunks. It felt solid and real beneath her fingertips. Suddenly, a warm light spread across the land. Iris looked up and saw a giant, glowing circle in the sky. It was a brilliant and happy yellow, and it made her feel cheerful all over. "Hello, sun," she laughed. As the day began to end, the sun dipped lower, painting the white clouds in a new, fiery color. It was orange, a fun and easy color to remember, just like the sweet, round fruit of the same name. On her way home, she passed a meadow she had never noticed before. It was filled with flowers. Some were a soft pink, like a baby's blanket, and others were a deep purple, the color of royal velvet. The world was full of surprises. That night, as darkness fell, the world became a deep black, but Iris wasn't afraid of the dark. She knew it was just a quiet blanket for the world to rest under. She closed her eyes and dreamed in red, blue, green, and yellow, excited for the colorful day to come.